Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw a 2D plan with simple M-line tool. Go to command line, type ML, type S for scale for width of the two lines. Draw all walls of the drawing. Type ML edit in command bar, press enter. Select corner joint and select edges. Type ML edits again. Now select open T. Now select first line and the second line, so on. Now with T command, enter text in all spaces. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.